students, welcome to the English class of grade 3. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. Okay, so are you ready for today's class? Very good. So, be ready with your textbook, exercise book and a pen. Okay? So, let's remember what did we learn in our previous class. In our previous class, we have talked about, okay, from lesson 2, we have talked about the name of the country and the nationalities. Okay, so I want to ask you some questions about the previous lesson. So, can you tell me what do we call the people of Nepal? Very good. Nepali. And what do we call the people of India? Very good. Indian. So, I am very happy you have remembered what we have learned in the previous lesson. Now, let's talk about today's lesson. We are going to do the reading of the lesson 2 today. From the topic I am from Nepal, we are going to do the reading part. That means we are going to read a text. But before that, I am going to show you one picture. Look at the picture and so what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is the map of Nepal. Okay, this is the map of Nepal and Nepal is our homeland. Okay, Nepal is our country. Yes, okay, you can see the map of Nepal here. And last time also I told you in the previous class, we live in Nepal and we speak Nepali language. That's why we are Nepali. Okay, we are Nepali. There are so many countries in the world like Nepal. Okay, Nepal is a small country, but there are big countries as well. So, can you tell me which is the largest country of the world? Okay, which is the largest country in the world? Do you have any idea? No? Alright, I will tell you. The largest country of the world is Russia. Okay, we have talked about Russia in the previous lesson. The largest country of the world is, largest means biggest country. Okay, Russia. And which is the smallest country of the world? Smallest country, that is smaller than Nepal. That is Vatican City. The name is quite difficult for you, but you have to know it. Okay, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Okay, alright. So, Nepal is our homeland, Russia is the largest country and Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Okay, now I am going to show you some pictures. Let me show you some pictures. Okay, look at the pictures and guess. Okay, you can see, yes, four people in the picture. Okay, like you. They are young people. Yes. So, who are they? Can you tell me who are they? You can make a guess. Yes. Okay. Yes. They might be Rabin, Hari, okay, or something else. We will find out their names after reading the text. Your guesses might be correct. Okay. Guess who is the boy in the picture? Where is he from? Your guess might be correct. Where is the boy in the second picture? Who is the boy in the second picture? Your guess might be correct. You are also guessing. Very good. And can you tell me where is it from? Can you guess? Nice. Okay. It might be correct. Okay. Remember, later when we read the text, we will find out. And where is he from or who is he? Who is he? Look at the picture and make a guess. Yes, you might be correct. Look at the last picture. Who is C? C might be. Very good. Okay. In this way, you can make a guess. Who are they? Where are they from? Okay. You have made a guess. Now, we are going to read the text. Okay. So, you have made a guess to the pictures. After we read the text, we will find out who are these people, what are their names, and where are they from. Okay. All right. Now, before reading the text, okay, I will ask you, please go through the text simply. Okay. Look at the lines, read, okay, the sentences or words that you know, and if you do not know any words in the text, you can underline the unfamiliar words. If you find any unfamiliar words in the text, then underline them. Okay. So, look at the text and underline the difficult words. So, this is the text. Okay. First of all, underline the difficult words. Did you underline? Yes. Okay. Underline the difficult words. Are you doing? Very good. Okay. Look, Ram is doing well. Very good. Okay, underline the difficult words you find in the text, difficult to pronounce. If you cannot read the words, underline them. Very good. Now, okay, the words that you have underlined, okay, I am going to teach you. You have underlined the difficult words, unfamiliar words in the text. Now, I am going to teach you those words, how to pronounce the words, okay, in the text. Let's see. First, spell the word, okay, and then we will learn the pronunciation, okay. So, what is the spelling? Look at the word. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Follow? Repeat after me. Country. Country. Very good. Now, okay, country, like Nepal is a country, India is a country, okay. Now, look at the next word. You might have underlined this word as well. Have you? Yes. Okay, Anisha has underlined. Anisha, you don't know the name of the word? No? All right. Listen to me carefully. C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital. C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital. Yes, capital. Do you know the meaning? What is the meaning of capital? Capital is the main city of the country. Like Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. It is the main city, okay, of our country. Capital. Now, you have underlined the word. This word, spell the word. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Repeat after me, favorite. Favorite. Is it difficult? Try it, okay? Favorite. One more time, favorite. Favorite means something that you like very much. Okay? For example, favorite color, favorite food, okay? Favorite country. So, favorite is that you like very much. Favorite. Don't forget the word. Okay? Next word. You have underlined. Who has underlined this word? Yes. Okay. Savita has underlined this word. Very good. Can you spell the word? N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National. Pronounce the word. National. National. Okay. So national means common to a whole nation. Common to a whole nation. One thing that is common to a whole nation. For example, okay, national language. Nepali is our national language. That is common to all of us. Okay. In the same way, national flower, national animal. What is our national animal? Yes, cow is our national animal, common to the whole country. All right, now look at the next word. Spell the word. P-O-P-U-L-A-R. Popular. Popular. Pronounce it popular. Popular. What do you mean by popular? Okay, very good. Famous. Popular is famous. It means famous. Okay, well known, known to everyone. Okay, for example, yes, okay, who is popular in our country? Can you tell me who is popular in our country? Yes, Paras Khadka is popular in our country because he is a cricketer. Yes? Alright. Now, let's see the next word. You have underlined this word. Can't you pronounce it? Yes, you can. Alright, very good. Try it. Yes. Okay. Sport. S-P-O-R-T. Sport. No, it's not support. It is sport. Sport. Okay. Not support, but first pronounce sport. Okay. Sport. Sport means it is a competitive game. Okay. It is a competitive game. Okay. Game in which it needs competition, like football, volleyball, okay, which needs physical activity. Okay, where you have to run, jump, those type of games are called sports. All right. Now, next word. You find it difficult? All right. Okay. And did you underline? No? You know the word? All right. Very good. Now, pronounce the word. S-I-N-G-E-R. Singer. Singer. Pronounce the word. Yes. Yes. Quite loudly. Very good. Singer. Do you know the meaning? A person who sings a song is called singer. Okay. If you sing a song, then you are also a singer. Yes. A person who sings a song is singer. Next word is W-O-R-L-D. World. World. Okay. World. Pronounce the word. World. World. Okay. World is the earth, the planet. Okay. Where many people, there are many people and there are many countries. Okay. That is world. Next word. It's quite longer. Okay. It's quite longer. First, okay, read the spelling. Okay. Spell the word. S-U-M-O-W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. Sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling. Pronounce the word slowly. Sumo wrestling. Wrestling. Very good. Sumo wrestling. Okay. It is a game. It is the name of the game. Now, next word. C-O-L-O-M-B-I-A. Colombia. Colombia. Okay. You may have found it difficult to pronounce because it is the name of the country. It is the name of the country like Nepal. Colombia. Next is Italian. Italian. Okay. I-T-A-L-I-A-N. Italian. Okay. It is a language of Italy, and even the people of Italy are also called Italian. Try to pronounce the word. Next word is S-P-A-N-I-S-H, Spanish. Spanish. Pronounce the word. Yes, very good. Spanish. It is, okay, also the language. Okay, Spanish. Next word is R-O-M-E. No, it is not Romy. It's not Romy. It is Rome. R-O-M-E, Rome. Rome is the capital city of Italy. Okay, Italy is the country and Rome is the capital city of Italy. Next word. You may find it difficult. B-O-G-O-T-A, Bogota. Bogota. It is also the name of the place. Okay, it is also the name of the place. It is the capital city of Colombia. The capital city of Colombia is Bogota. Okay, now we have learned so many words from the text. Now we are going to read the text. So now you may find the text, okay, quite easier because most of the difficult words we have already learned. Okay, now listen carefully. Hello, my name is Salman. I speak Nepali. I am from Nepal. Kathmandu is the capital city of my country. Volleyball is popular in Nepal. My name is Luigi. I speak Italian. I am from Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome. Italy is famous for its food. Our favorite food is pizza and pasta. Football is very popular in my country. Milan is my best team in the world. Okay, now let's continue. Listen carefully. Hello everyone. My name is Keiko. I speak Japanese. I am from Japan. The capital of my country is Tokyo. Our national sport is sumo wrestling. Our favorite food is fish. My name is Alicia and I speak Spanish. I am from Colombia. I am Colombian. The capital city of my country is Bogota. Our national sport is football. Our favorite food is fried bananas. Shakira is a famous Colombian singer. Okay, this is the text. Now, okay, I will read the text. Okay, you must have known many of the words, but okay, once we will read the text together. Okay, that means I will read the lines and you have to repeat after me. Okay, hello, my name is Salman. I speak Nepali. I am from Nepal. Kathmandu is the capital city of my country. Volleyball is popular in Nepal. My name is Luigi. I speak Italian. I am from Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome. Italy is famous for its food. Our favorite food is pizza and pasta. Football is very popular in my country. Milan is my best team in the world. Let's continue. Hello everyone. My name is Keiko. I speak Japanese. I am from Japan. The capital of my country is Tokyo. Our national sport is sumo wrestling. Our favorite food is fish. My name is Alicia and I speak Spanish. I am from Colombia. I am Colombian. The capital city of my country is Bogota. Our national sport is football. Our favorite food is fried bananas. Shakira is a famous Colombian singer. Very good. Okay. In this way, practice reading at home. Okay. Repeat the text several times so that you can improve your reading skill. Okay. You have to read many times to improve your reading skill. Then you can read it fluently. Okay. All right. We have read the text. Now, let's remember the questions, okay, that I had asked you earlier. Who are these people? Now, can you tell me the name? Yes, they are very good. Salman and Luigi and Keiko and Alicia. Okay, and where are they from? Where are they from? Can you tell me? Okay, read the text again to find out if you don't know the answer, okay? But let me tell you for now. Salman is from Nepal. Yes? Salman is from Nepal. Okay? Here you have seen the photograph of Salman. Okay? And Luigi is from Italy. And Keiko is from Japan. And Alicia, where is she from? Colombia. Yes? Okay. Colombia. She is from Colombia. Now what you have to do? It's your turn to read the text. Now it's your turn to read the text. And while reading, you have to underline the, now look, here you have to underline the name of people, the language they speak, country's name, capital city and popular sports. Okay? Read the text and underline the name of people, the language they speak, country, capital city and popular sports. Okay? Now read the text quickly and underline first the name of people. Very good. You are so quick. Have you underlined? The name of people. You have done? Very good. Now underline the language they speak. Very good. You are doing. Very nice. Now underline the name of country. Name of the countries. Have you done? Very good. Now name of the capital cities. Underline the name of the capital cities. Okay, very nice. And finally now underline the sports, popular sports. Okay, name of the sports. They are popular in, okay, these countries. Very good. Okay, so you have done, okay, what I asked you. Now let's check okay, whether you have underlined the correct words or not. First, you have underlined the name, Salman, and then the language, Nepali. And where is he from? Nepal, the name of country. And the capital city of Nepal is Kathmandu. And what is popular in Nepal? Volleyball. Have you underlined these things? Okay, very good. If you have not, then you can underline now. Next, you have underlined Luigi. Where is he from? Italy. And he speaks Italian. Yes? And the capital city of Italy is Rome. Okay, the name Italy is given 2 times, Rome. And what is, okay, popular, very popular in Luigi's country? Football. Football is popular sports in Luigi's country. Now let's see next. Okay, now let's talk about Keiko. Have you underlined the name? Very nice. Now, which language does Keiko speak? Japanese. Very good. And where is she from? Very good. Japan. And the capital city of Japan is Tokyo. And what is the national sport? Sumo wrestling. Okay, it is a game. You must have watched wrestling in television. Wrestling. Now, let's see the next, Alicia. Okay, Alicia. Which language does she speak? Spanish. And where is she from? Where is she from? Very good. Colombia. Okay, she is Colombian. And the capital city of Colombia is? Very good. Bogota. And what is their national sport? Have you underlined? Garnu bhako cha ni hai? Yes, football. Football is the national sport of Colombia. Okay, very good. You have underlined these words. I hope you have understood many things. Okay, about Salman, Luigi, Keiko, and Alicia, and which language they speak, where are they from, okay, what is the capital cities, okay, and what are the famous sports or national sports, popular sports in their countries. Now, okay, we have read a text, okay, and you have learned so many things here. Now we are going to do some exercises. Okay, here in the text we have learned the name of the countries and their capital cities. Okay, we have learned the name of 4 countries. What are they? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Next, yes, and next country, very good. And the last one, very good. Okay, we have learned the name of the countries like Japan, Italy, Nepal, and Colombia. Now, let's match, let's find out the capital cities of those countries. Okay, you can tell me, what is the capital city of Japan? Who is so quick? Yes, okay, very good. Can you spell so that everybody listens to you? Very good. Tokyo, Kyo, Tokyo. Okay, the capital city of Japan is Tokyo. And the next, Italy. Who can say the capital city of Italy? Quickly. Very good. Can you spell? Yes, R-O-M-E, Rome. And next to, okay, is Nepal. Who can say the capital city of Nepal? Kathmandu. Yes, Kathmandu. Very good. And the next word is Colombia. Okay, what is the capital city of Colombia? Yes, very good. Bogota. Bogota is the capital city of Colombia. Now, let's, okay, in this way you can match the names of the countries and the capital cities. Now you can, okay, I hope you can complete this table easily. Okay, you have to write the correct information about Salman. Okay, first word is Salman. I have already given you so many clues. The country, capital cities, sports. Find out the information in the text and complete this table. Can you do it? Yes? Alright, let me, okay, give you one example. Salman, where is it from? Nepal. And what is the capital city of Nepal? Yes, very good. Kathmandu. And what is the popular sport of Nepal? Volleyball. Okay, write the correct spelling. Okay, volleyball. Now, in the next column, only the country's name is given. Italy. Who is from Italy? Tell me. Yes, very good. Luigi is from Italy. And what is the capital city of Italy? Rome. Rome is the capital city of Italy. And you can easily write the sport of national sport or popular sport of Italy, that is football. Yes? Okay. Next, okay, Tokyo is given. Who is from Tokyo? Keiko. Keiko is from Tokyo. Okay. And what is the country's name? Where does Tokyo lie? In Japan. Very good. And what is the popular sport? Sumo wrestling. Now the last word is football. Now you have to fill in the gaps, okay, in other columns. Football. The last country. Who is from? Yes, Alicia. From which country? Colombia. And what is the capital? Very good. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. Alright, we have done this exercise. Now, okay, some questions are given in your textbook. They are related to the reading text. Now, let's learn to write answer to these questions. First, let's discuss the questions. But you have to find answers in the text. Okay, what language does Salman speak? Okay, go through the text quickly. The first paragraph. Read the text, read the lines about Salman. What language does Salman speak? Which language? Okay, you can just underline the language and then later you can write answer. Which language? You can underline. Yes, Nepali. Okay, underline the Nepali language. Now, how can you write answer? You can write, I will show you the example of number A. Okay, Salman speaks Nepali. Full stop. Put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, and this is full stop. Salman, is capital, speaks Nepali. Okay, next question is, what is Italy famous for? Now go through the second paragraph. What is Italy famous for? Is it for sports? No. What is Italy famous for? You can underline the word. Italy is famous for its food. Okay, underline the word food. And now write down the answer like this. Italy is famous for its food. And put full stop at the end. Italy, I capital, the name of the country, and even the first letter of the sentence, is famous for its food. Next number. Look at the next question. What food is popular in Japan? Go through the third paragraph and find out the answer. What food is popular in Japan? Underline the answer. Very good. Very good. Okay. Your friend is so quick. You should do in the same way. Okay. What food? Fish. Okay. Fish is popular in Japan. Now write answer like this. Fish, F capital, is popular in Japan. Fish is popular in Japan. And the last question is, who is Sakura? Okay, go through the text one more time. Who is Sakura? Or you have already done. Very good. You are so smart. Okay, who is Sakura? Yes, she is a singer. Okay, you can underline the word singer and write down the answer. Okay. Shakira is, you can write Shakira, S capital. Shakira is a famous Colombian singer, and put full stop. Don't forget to put full stop at the end. Shakira is a famous Colombian singer. In this way, you can write answers to these questions. Okay. So, have you written? Very good. Now, I have a homework for you. Okay. So, this is homework. Complete the following sentences. Okay. My name is, write your name. I am 30 years old. Write your age. What language do you speak? I speak. Write the name of the language. I am from. Where are you from? Write the name of your country. The capital city of my country is the capital. You have to fill in the blank. Okay. What is the capital city of your country? Write down. And our favorite food is, what is our favorite food? We all know that, right? If you don't know, you can ask your parent. Okay. What is our favorite food? And my country is famous for. What is our country famous for? Yes. Okay. If you don't know, you can ask your parents, your brothers, sisters, and write answers to these questions. Okay. And next time, you have to tell me what have you written. Okay. When we meet in the next class. Alright. Okay. This is home assignment for you. Now, let's make a short revision. What did we learn in today's class? Yes. Okay. We read a text about different people from different parts of the world, from different countries. Okay. And we also learn the name of the countries, the language they speak, okay, and the popular sports in their countries. Okay. And we did some exercises related to the reading text. Did you enjoy? Yes, I hope so. Okay. We will meet again in the next class. See you. Bye.